guys, it's me, Rainbow Cat, and the cat bird. That's right, it's me. Today I will be showing you how to draw this beautiful painting cat. So how do I make that? So let me show you how. First, grab the cat bird and go out and just type the name called Rainbow Cupcat bird. That's the name, but I like that. Alright, and then let's go with white. And drop this cat over here. There. And also don't forget this one. If you don't have this I forgot the name again. Sorry, I used to call this Rainbow Cupcat. Cupcake. Yeah, that's the name. I used to call cupcake. Yep. Alright, first and grab the cupcake and go back to the Rainbow Cupcat place. I forgot where should I put again. Oh yeah, that's right, here. Alright, and I should just grab the cat and put it right here because I got no space. Alright, and grab this and put it right here. Yep. Alright, let's get started. Alright then. First, press this and copy the color of blue. Okay guys, let me show you how. First, you must copy the unicorn horn. I don't know what's the name. I guess it's true. And the color purple. And the tongue. Why do I go super big? Make it big. The tongue. You know this one? And this one too. And the color. And the dot stuff. And yep. So what are we waiting for? Let's go. Let's start with this color. The purple. Alright. Go with that. There and there. There. Isn't that pretty? And also the mouth. And now let's go the tongue one. Alright. Let's copy the color and there. And just copy this. Alright, and go back over here. Yep. And also don't forget the eyebrows. I hope you don't miss anything. It's so big. Maybe we should go it smaller. Okay, and last one there. Yep, Looks pretty, right? Looks like a girl. Alright. Oops, forgot to erase that. Alright, and then just forgot the color of blue, my favorite color. Alright, and try this, okay? You can draw it the line with 3 color because we need to draw it 3 because I don't want to mess up again. Alright, there, done. And go with this way, copy there, oops, and there, and right here, there we go, whoop, whoop, and also use black, because I like black, because darker is more better. Alright, there, oh forgot that, missed one. Alright, and just, oh god, I make it super big. There, much better. Isn't that cool? We don't miss anything. There and there. Do you know about the name called Catbird? That's the game. I really like the game. So, yep, that's all. Okay, that took forever to draw that. Let's do it with line. There. Tomorrow I will be coloring with, never mind. Oops. And there. Done! Isn't that beautiful? It's so cute. Alright. Don't forget the black. That took forever to draw the line, everything. And also this color. Boom. Sorry, Mr. Cupcake. Sorry, Rainbow Cupcake. I have to. Poor buddy. There's no space for the thing. Maybe we should take this one. That's why the hairy. Oh wait. This horn needs some makeup. Oh wait, we go this way and that way. There. Is it that? Okay, maybe I should do it better one. Go like this and there. Beautiful. There. And also there. Last touch is there. Now, time for the coloring. Color, color, color. Time for me to color. It's time for color. Color, color, color. Sing with me, everyone. Color, color, color. Color, color, color. Yeah. Okay, that's enough. Okay. Hey, is it that? Okay, maybe we should do it better. Isn't that cool? Good. Alright, now time for the last one. Okay, that's all. Good. And this too. There. Yep, that's all. And I almost forgot to tell you is... Oh, yeah, this one. You don't know, right? Oh, wait. Let me copy. There. I guess it's true. Oh, I don't mess up. There. Beautiful. Beautiful. Ah, I almost forgot. The eye. Yes. Okay. Hope we don't miss anything. Okay. Yep. That looks very big. Sorry, that was my WhatsApp mom. Nope, not good enough. Maybe we should do it like this. Not good. 10. Let's copy it. Boom. Bring it right over here. And there, some sparkles. And the last one is sprinkles. There. There, that's all. Alright, almost dead. Done. And bye bye. And delete this thing. Sorry, Mr. Cup. Oh, sorry. I'm sorry, Rainbow Cupcake. You are being wasted. Thank you so much for watching. Comment down below and subscribe and leave a like. And yep. Bye bye. See you tomorrow. Bye bye. Bye bye.